What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GM remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a quarter. If you don't happen to have a quarter handy, you can use another coin or even a flathead screwdriver, but a quarter is really ideal for what we're going to use it for. If we grab our fob and we're looking at it like this, if we take a look at the bottom, over to the side, you can see there's a little bit of a notch right here. What I'm going to do is stick my quarter in that notch, like that, and then I'm just going to twist it. So make sure that you have your quarter all the way pushed in that notch and then twist. And as you do that, it pops the shell apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart. And now we can see our battery right here. The battery will just slide out of that holder like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide it in the holder, make sure it's all the way in there. And then we'll snap the two halves of the shell back together. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.